friends, in today's video see how to create a scroll bar for this data set. For that, first what we will do is we'll copy this data till 10 line items and paste it here. Now go to the developer tab. If the developer tab is not available, go to the file option and then you can add the developer tab to the menu bar. Once after going to the developer tab, come to insert, create a scroll bar here. Once after creating the scroll bar, click on the right side, go to format control. Now the current value will be 1 and the minimum value will be 1, and then the maximum value is nothing but 13, and then incremental will be 1, and the page change will be 10, and I will link this cell to S1 and I will click on OK. Now we can see why I have given 13 is, if you come here and if you check, the last data is 22 and here we have the count of 10, and we need this data to be only with 10 line items. Okay, now we'll give the formula here, that is offset our reference will be B2 comma, and then the row number will be S1 and fix this one and 0, enter. Just drag this formula below and to your right side. Now once if I click on this scroll bar, you can see the data is moving till the end of the line item. This is how we can create a scroll bar in the Excel. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.